Hi, this is Brandon with Android Advice and Tutorials. Here I'm going to show you how to get to recovery on the Google Pixel 4. Basically, it's the same as most of the other older devices. But first and foremost, you want to turn the phone off. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the volume down button for 3 to 4 seconds. And then tap and hold power. When the screen comes up, let go of your buttons, obviously. And then you're going to hit volume up twice to recovery mode. And then once you're at recovery mode, you can hit power. And this is one point where people start freaking out. You see the dead Android, hitting buttons doesn't seem to do anything. It's because there's a specific way you have to hit the buttons in order to get to recovery mode. And now what you'll do is you're going to hold the power button down for about 2 seconds and then tap volume up. So 1, 2, and then you come to this screen and now you're in recovery. Okay. Now from here, this is where you'll be able to do different things like enter fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB, like if you're installing something from a computer and you're plugged in, update things from an SD card, which not necessarily from this device, do a data reset. But yeah, you can see here, you can do tests and things like that. But anyway, that's how you get to recovery.